Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your Google Authenticator application is keep closing into your Android device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. If this type of problem is happening to you, you just simply have to tap into the application for a while and this I button will appear. Just simply tap into there and go to settings, and you can stepwise go to the settings too. Then after that you will get the option of force stop into here. Just simply force stop the application at first and after that go to this storage setting. Just simply tap into there and then you will get to see clear data and clear cache option. Now you just simply have to tap into this clear cache button, and after that your app cache for Authenticator will successfully be deleted. Because whenever this type of problem happens, it might be because of the cluttered cache at the most cases. That's why after clearing cluttered cache might fix your problem. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update.